How to find hot free leads for affiliate marketing using Facebook, right? So I'm going to show you guys today how you guys can find hot free leads, and just stick around because I'm going to break this down to you guys right now. All right, so let's begin. So step number one, you need to have Facebook, right? So if you don't have Facebook, go to facebook.com and go ahead and create an account. And for those that also have Facebook but also want to start from scratch or you're new, this also applies to you guys as well. If you're starting brand new or you actually want to just create a new account, just go ahead, just have a Facebook account. And the first step, that's the first step, right? So we're going to Facebook. And the first thing you want to do is go to your profile, you create your Facebook, upload a profile picture, right? This is very crucial because when it comes to finding hot leads using Facebook, you need to have a profile picture, right? So profile picture is key for people to approving your friend request, right? Because if you're doing Facebook with affiliate marketing and you are getting people into aren't adding people every day, or people aren't approving your friend request, then that means you have no leads, right? No leads means no business, right? Because it's kind of like having the best offer or the best solution, but no one's seeing it. That's how you have to see it, right? So that's why it's very important to have a profile picture, because this is key. Because people respond to what they see, right? If they look at your picture, or they look at what you look like, or your profile, it has a picture of a GIF or a cat or dog, they're most likely not going to approve your profile because they're like, oh, this person's kind of scared. They don't want to, I don't know who I'm talking to behind the screen, right? So step one is very important. Have a picture. Just take a selfie, upload it. Simple as that, right? That's step number one. Okay. Step number three is we're gonna find the influencers, public groups, or groups in the marketing space that we are in, right? So if you don't know how to do that, we're obviously gonna go into our best friend. Well, we have two best friends, Google and YouTube, right? So basically, you just go to Google and you can type in top affiliate marketers, or whatever your goal is in your industry. Is typing top. You got to find the big dogs in the industry, because if you don't find them, then you don't know where your audience is at. Because you go find anybody on Facebook or whatever you're looking for, but if you're not the right audience, the right target, the right niche, then you obviously aren't gonna convert really well, right? You'll be wasting your energy, you're gonna burn out, right? So you need to make sure you find out where your audience is hanging out, which is, for example, Pat Flynn, all these names are here. You want to find more? Go here. Let Google do all the suggestions for you, and you press 2022. And now you got these websites too that also direct you more. You can also try it on YouTube if you want to. And once you pretty much find out the name for your audience, well, the influencer, we're gonna type into Facebook, since we're searching on Facebook, right? So one of the easiest ways is to actually find it groups is just typing like fill in marketing. And you type on, sorry, it's been a while since there. The groups here. And then you guys just join some of these free groups, because this is where there's a lot of people hanging out in these groups, right? 31,000, 325 people, 1,000 following this group. And let's find another example. For me, it would be like Neil Patel, 1 million followers, public page, right? It's the real deal because they also have the blue check market to confirm that they're authentic. All right. So that was step number three. Now, step number four is going to be finding people in the groups or public followers to see if they're a good fit. So you need to do a good 1-2 minute scan. Find recent posts. This is posted 11 hours ago. This is post 11 hours ago. post 11, post September 16th. And you want to just engage with comments. I usually can engage with the hearts because those are the people that actually really love it. And you click on like people's profile like this. This is actually real. I'm just doing real time. This is not like um just show you guys some stuff behind this. Say some stuff and I actually don't show you guys. This is actually how I actually find hot leads, right? And you look at what they post, and you can see the profile picture. You see what they post. They post about Neil Patel. They share a video from this page, I believe, and you see if they're a good fit, and you go ahead and just add them. All right. So let's do another one. I'm gonna do Gary very, yeah, Gary V. See, let's go to the profile or the page, or this also applies for groups as well. Click on this. Look for people's engagements. You don't want to click on that says follow. You want to try to find people that are actually like that has the ad friend feature. People the same way flowers are attracted to the sun. Surround yourself only with those who want to, right? So you could tell that she has a good mindset because I can relate to that, you know. And she also follows Gary V. And I would go ahead and add her, right? And then so once you add them, pretty much you know that they're a good fit, you know that they do the same things you do, they like what you like, you can resonate with and relate with them. And then now you gotta just wait for them to approve your friend request. And this is how you find hot leads on Facebook for free. You're not paying for paid ads or anything, right? It's just all for free. And then it's much better than paid ad because one's free, and two, you can also control how they're gonna interact with you, right? You know, there's not emails, you know, pay for subscriptions, build funnels. You just actually interact with the person one-on-one, and you just repeat the process, right? So once you repeat the process and you stay consistent, the more you stay consistent, eventually Facebook will start suggesting the correct people to you, right? So if I go to my Facebook, because I've been doing this for a long time already, you know, and then go to my friends and then go to your suggestions. There's all these people here that are in the marketing business, you know. Let's look at it. Like I don't even know these people, and Facebook just suggests you all these type of people, right? And not only that, eventually when you go to YouTube and stuff, you go um it starts suggesting you like all these things that these people you never seen, like Alex Hormonzi. I mean, I know he has since I, but just for example, pretend you're brand new or you just kind of just actually start trying this stuff out, you know, and then you're gonna start getting all these type of ads, people popping on your news feed and everything. Oh yeah, sorry, but I kind of watch all stuff like anime and everything too, but you get the picture, right? Basically, like you see all these suggestions about everything. You know, it's not just gonna be a Facebook. Your Facebook start populating to your Instagram. You use Instagram. You're gonna see it on your Snapchat. You're gonna see it on YouTube. You see it anywhere. You go on to your email. You see those Yahoo ads. They're gonna start suggesting all these type of ads from your industry to you. And this is how you find hot free leads because, like I said, your audience follows the big dogs and the influencers, right? So you gotta go to where they're at and start building connections. And how you approach these people is how well they're going to convert. You can convert anyone from being a cold lead from a stranger to buying within the next 20 minutes or the next 90 days. That's just how you can find hot free leads for your business. If you find this video useful or helpful, feel free to like, comment, subscribe for more. And lastly, feel free to tell me what you like and dislike about this video. Until next time, cheers.